what of weather. So a technical bounce back could be around the corner. Mid and large cap stocks are looking oversold. Yesterday there was an F&O compulsion which was at play, but that's about it. I don't think this market right now has too much of momentum on the upside, and traders don't have too much to really sink their teeth into. 51 points up for the Sensex, 18 points up for the Nifty, barely above 5,700 after yesterday's triple-digit dent. You got 39 points up on the Sensex and 14 points up on the Nifty. Let's stay with banks and let's start with banks. Across the board, large cap banks. Emphasis, that's the number reaction, but you want to look at banks, financials. ICICI Bank 1054, State Bank of India cracked by about 6% plus yesterday, Axis Bank 1345, PNB 796. There is a rub of red, there is a rub of green, that's about it. Bank of Baroda, well, there is no green there. 691 for Bank of Baroda, HDFC Bank 622. Check on Yes Bank, which is at 480. It is an uptick of only 8 rupees. Bear in mind that yesterday foreign institutional investors were net sellers in the cash market of about 1300 crore plus, and they were net sellers in index futures to the tune of about 1400 crore. So I'm afraid liquidity is not that strong and supportive. So after yesterday's triple-digit dent, where are the gains? No gains. The clarification came from the finance minister on the Mauritius issue, but I guess no one is really too excited after that clarification. I mean, if the clarification was so strong and if that spooked the market yesterday, we should have been off to races.
Oh yes, we should have caught up with what the global cues were doing yesterday, but no, that doesn't seem to be the case. So start of a brand new series day after the budget. Flat as flat can be at 56.93. M&M, that's the stock that one should bring up for you on your screens, considering minutes after the budget came out, they did announce a 2.4% hike across all of their SUVs, which is in effect from today onwards. An over 1% dip coming in for M&M in trade right now. Ken India as well has said that the Sri Lankan subsidiary is in its fourth exploration in the country block on February the 2nd. So Ken is currently lower by about 1.5%. I also want to see what Reliance is up to and some of these OMCs as well, HP, BP, IOC. Reliance marginally in the red right now. BPCL has gotten off to a decent start after getting pounded yesterday. IOC marginally in the red, and HP has made a decent move up about almost 1% in trade right now. You've got Emphasis, which is reacting to its earnings. More importantly, the CCI has now approved United Spirits and the Diageo deal. So United Spirits as well is one stock that you should bring up for you on your screen. 94 rupees up for United Spirits. It was only solitary large mid-cap or a popular mid-cap which closed in the green yesterday as well. The news is out. This is news reaction. This is definitely not some kind of an value buying which is at play when it comes to United Spirits. Nifty is flat. It's a bit volatile, but there is no real desire to go long. Today we start a new series, and since things really got cleaned out yesterday in the February series, March series is light, but there is no real desire to go long. So markets are consolidating. Maybe markets would like to find the real level. There was a lot of hope trade which has built up ahead of the budget, and that hope trade I think is now getting adjusted.